All right, well, welcome to another episode of Coding with the Agent. And once again, I'm Dean, and I'm glad to be hanging out, and thank you for sharing this learning journey with me. I just, been playing around this playground here with all this coding, and it just always amazes me to see what's going on, some of the things I can create, with the coding and that. So, oh, hey, what happened here? This looks kind of cool. Something spawned and fell into one of the holes. Oh, hey, guys. Oh, I feel bad. Can we help you get out? I don't know. Kind of interesting. All right. Let's go into the code and see what we can come up with today in this episode. The last episode was pretty cool. It was definitely interesting to figure out with digging with the agent. Definitely had to do some decoding there, some debugging. And it was really, I just found it really fascinating to be able to do that. And that's what I'm enjoying about this journey too, is that, I'm kind of learning on the fly as we go. And some things work like a charm and other things not so much. But you know what? That's totally okay. And I think we as teachers also have to remember that's what the students are going through too. And we definitely have to model, what we expect from them to give it a shot and debug. And not everything's going to go perfect, and sometimes there's going to be some glitches along the way, and they're just learning opportunities and ways to figure things out. So this has been a really great journey, and I'm enjoying it so much. Let's take a look. What kind of right on. Today we did dig it. Now we're going to make agent wall. Oh, and I can see so many things to do this. For example, right now in my social 9, we're doing ancient civilizations, and Owen Group's doing the Great Wall of China. This could be a good code for that and a good application. So let's give it a shot and see what's going on. Go back and forth to build a wall. All right, so we're opening an example, so I'm pretty sure it's going to give us the code, and let's figure out what it's trying to say and look at it from a different perspective. So it was cool with the tutorials. We're kind of putting the code and blocking it together. And now we're getting a look at the code and kind of, again, go backwards on it, having like a reverse design and seeing what's under the hood and what's going on with how things are put together, which is great for computational thinking. You can see a lot of, uses with using the agent inside of Minecraft to build and to get kids involved in that for sure. All right, so we're just loading up. It's kind of cool to see some of these guys in the background. And we'll see what we can do on this one. All right, still loading. And let's have a sip of my tea. Cheers to all you guys watching. Oh, perfect. All right, so again, start with our chat command wall. So we know when we go inside, we're going to hit T, type in wall to see if this will execute. Okay, and then remember the red deals with the agent. Right now our agent's stuck in a little hole himself, so he's going to teleport to us. That's good. And the agent, place on move. Okay, so now what we're starting to do here is, it's almost like an if-then statement, but so true, and then agent destroy obstacles. So if there's something in my way, it's going to destroy it. Okay, I think I get that. So this is going to come across, and then 10 times. So this looks like it'll do 10 pieces of the wall, and it'll move forward by 4, up 1, turn left. All right. Now the only thing I don't get yet is, like, it doesn't seem like there has to be a block to put in. I'm not sure where it's going to get that from, but I'm thinking this might do a place on move. So I'm hoping that that's what it's just saying. Hey, when it place on move, we're going to put a block down. All right, well, let's give this a go. Let's see. This should give us a block that a wall that basically will have, from what I do, doing the math here, it will have 10 rows with 4 blocks in each row. Okay, so let's give it a shot. Let's hit play here and put the code into practice, and let's see if it works and if we need to debug anything, and if some of the things we talked about will happen. Right, so I'm going T and I'm typing in wall. And what happened? Did he build a wall? Well, he didn't come to me. That was one thing that definitely didn't happen. And I do not see a wall. All right, I'm going to just go back into the code again. Wall, supposed to teleport to me. Agent, place on move. Just make sure, like, I know the one time I put the code in, I thought I did and it didn't come in. So there he is, stuck in there. I'm going T and I'm typing in wall. Oh, there he came to me. Oh, there he goes. Okay, I'm not sure if I typed something in wrong. And okay, there he goes. He's building that. Awesome. He's doing it 10 times. And there he goes. Look at him in action. Very nice. Very cool. Look at him go. And he's up. Hey, good job, buds. Not sure why he missed. He missed a spot. There, I helped you out. Oops, I don't want that one. I need to go to 2 and do that. So that may be something to debug. But that looks pretty cool. What are you thinking of there, buds? I like how he kind of looks at you like, hey, what do you want me to do next? All right. Let's go back to the code for a second. And I wonder if he goes forward by 5. I wonder if the same thing will go in there. Maybe when he moves up, he has to drop one. I just wonder if, what do we go do if we go into the agent here? Okay, we looked at that. Makes sense. Oh, look at the different code blocks inside of here. I've seen some really cool things. Agent tell. Oh, you could do some things with agriculture with that for sure. Very, very cool. All right, so I'm just wondering, set blocker item. I go back to the code. I wonder. Now, when he went 4 over, it looked like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And the other thing too that was interesting, is what I want to see here, is why did it use that block? So I'm just gonna go to my inventory. I'm just gonna clear this out and see if that's just part of the deal. It just kind of defaulted to that or not. So as you see, I have nothing in my toolbox or my toolbar. Let's go to T. Let's type in wall again. Okay, came to me, and that is so cool. Okay, there he is going to town, and this time, oh look at, oh no, he's still, yeah, there he did miss that part again. Very interesting. Okay, but the code works, right? He teleported to me, place on move, right? I don't know if this is the destroy obstacles one. I'm just gonna take this piece of code out and see what happens, because maybe, oops. And that's the beauty of taking out the code, right? Sometimes it gets stuck on there. All right, so I'm going to put that code in and see what happens there. And place on move. Okay. I just don't know where it gets that block from. Like, how does it know? Does it say anything inside of the JavaScript? I'm really curious. I don't know why it uses this type of block. Like, can I change it? Can I add another type of block to it, or that type of thing, or is that just part of the code? So let's take a quick look under the hood here. But the code is working. Oh, there we go. Okay, teleport assist. F4 forward, up. Okay, interesting. I still don't know why. It doesn't really say. This is part of. Is it part of the wall? Oh, that makes no. That's good. And okay, the function's good. Teleport. Agent. Okay, place on move. Interesting. True. And okay, but I don't see where that would be something I would definitely would be very curious in understanding is, where did I get this block? Now it looks like he stopped up there. So that's interesting in itself. So there's a couple of glitches, and let's type in wall again. He's coming here, all right. Go, go. Oh, no, yeah, he's still, but look at that. Looks like he's going, now unless he just defaults with those blocks. And there he goes, building the wall. And is he going to stop up there? No, yeah, he did a perfect job, except for that. That is so cool, interesting. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. He doesn't do the 5th one. So when I go back in the code, let's see, 4 up 1. Let's go back to the block coding on it. Really interesting. Okay, so this is part of the code, and I think this would, if I was in a different, like if I wasn't, something flat and there was like a tree in my way, it'd probably destroy the obstacle that's in the way. This is just a variable. I don't think I need to do that. I should get rid of that. Can I just drag that out? Am I going to keep adding variables now? Yeah. Okay, I don't want that. Oh, I wonder if I can just right click and delete. Okay, yeah. Whoa, darn it. Oh no. You see that? Took away my whole thing. I was just hoping I was doing that. Well, let's just X that out. Oh, that's kind of funny in some ways. That solely surprised me. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I'm like, whoa, what happened? Okay, let's go back to ancient wall, or the ancient wall, and look at the diagram it gives. Like it's really interesting that the diagram doesn't look like the wall that's inside of here, which I'm not sure if that's on purpose or not, or what. Oh, all right. So I'm loading this back in. Lots of things I've learned so far. Lots of questions I still have, and questions are good. I always tell my kids that questions are more important than answers. Okay, because like the things that are working make sense. All right, so we're back. It gave us this destroy obstacles. We'll click on that. Place on move. Okay. Oh, what's the other one? Place from any slot. I wonder what happens if I change that. Okay, agent moved forward by 4, up by 1. I'm just going to change this to 5. And let's give this a shot. I still think that it's not going to plot that one because it comes across, but alright, you ready, buddy? Let's give this a shot. So we're going to go and type in wall. There he is. Ooh. Oh no. Oh, there he goes. That was like delayed. Oh, I must have been in the way. Oh. And there, look. Oh no, look at that. He did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, yeah, I just went an extra one over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then up 1. That's really interesting. Hey, yeah, I think so too. There, Mr. Chicken. All right, so maybe if I take out one of the terms, let's give that a shot. I wonder if that'll probably stop my guy too because it changed the code when he was doing it. Yeah, it did too. That's what happened before. Okay. Again, always learning, some little intricacies, some little details. Running out of blocks is always interesting. All right, buds. I'm on your way. Cow on your way. Oh, let's get out. Oh, there you go. It's kind of like he stopped when me or the cow was in the way. Oh, wow. Okay, he didn't go left again. Oh, I see what happened there. So that one left is really good because you're not turning around. Wow, okay. That's a really cool structure. I saw one that said tower, so I think I have an idea how the tower might be built down the road. All right. Again, playing with code. Good times. Okay, so let's put this guy back in because he needs to turn left. But if we duplicate, I wonder if, let's see if I put this in here, I'm gonna go and, oh, this is just left and right. Oh, because I got turn. Actually, I don't want to turn. Oops. I got 3 lefts, right? Alright, so let's get this piece out. But let's see if I can, this one's going up. Let me see if I can duplicate this and stick this in here and see if that will solve our problem. I don't think it will, but that's what coding is. It's beautiful. You can try new things and it doesn't really matter if you're not. But the reason why I thought is maybe if I do that, it will check things out and it will like kind of go up and turn and then it won't put that, it won't have that gap. Okay, all right, buddy, give it a shot. The whole world's watching. And here he goes. Oh, okay, so he's going that way because he's forward. Oh, okay. No, still. All right, well. Hey, if anybody watching can figure out why you won't put that block down there, let me know because that's really baffling me right now. I'll have to think on that one a little bit more. And that's what's great about this too, right? Is that you can think and figure things out. Oh, am I going to lose the whole thing again? Like I did the other one? Okay, well, again, really cool. I'm just going to delete. Oh, I think I was duplicating the blocks. And duplicate. Yeah, I put a whole bunch. I'm just going to clean up this code. I think I hit duplicate instead. Anyways, oops. Probably clicked a little bit too fast on that one. Alright, well, again, thanks for watching another episode of Coding with the Agent. This time we did the wall, and it was pretty cool. I came away with some more questions, but I also got a lot of answers too, and I understand what it was doing, and I could see some applications in here for sure. So, thanks a lot for watching another episode of Coding with the Agent. I'm Dean, and oh, good, look, that's telling me, oh, hey, I just learned something new as I'm signing off here. It will teach me the JavaScript behind the block just by doing that. Very, very cool. All right, that was like bonus feature. All right, thanks a lot, and have a great day. And until next time, take care out there.